Will you retouch?
Depende. Ano sa'yo? Ay, or kan... Bala na?
Ano nangyari? Dinosaur na lang logo. Naiiyak ako. Nagpunta ako dito para
Na-excite pa kami. Wala na pala.
na-excite. Real? Don't worry.
Yeah, pinanood ko. Ay, nakapanood ko yung trailer sa cinema.
Ano ang pangalan? Uy, kinukomplete ko yung The Conjuring.
Ano yun? Ako din.
Yung mag-asawa.
Ay, kunin ko lang to.
Ba't ako malik? Mas makain naman tayo.
Kwento mo
Baliban?
yung dala.
Hindi ko lang pala dito eh. Mati kayo nag... Hindi ba dito?
Kaya. Best of all our friends, I need to touch your body. Live on with your parents, my Lord. Amen. Akin na nga.
Ano ba yun?
Patingin ko ba? Ito, gano'n na naman. Napag... Sabihin natin, ito yung bintana. Di ba may ganito sa gym? Ganun siya. Kukunan. Ayan mo natin, kumakapit.
That much better. Oh! I'm so sorry! Nalak ko siya sa kwarto. Little of an update. I just got home. Marami pa silang plano. Actually, ngayon lang ako na-inform. Tapos inakit na lang ako. But, hindi umabot yung pera ko kaya I'm going home. A few updates lang. I've been not vlogging kasi we're so busy at exams and we are SPA students din. We're preparing for culminating, so we've been so busy lately and I didn't get to vlog that much kasi super busy talaga. Pero there's gonna be more episodes to come, just wait. And tomorrow, I think tomorrow mag-vlog pa ako. We are going to check our test papers. We just finished our exam today and we all went out to McDo. That's why I think we're going to make it a tradition na din. Every time pagkatapos ng exam namin, we are going to eat outside. Mag-aakit pa kami. Kami lang mga taga-Labo. Pero probably we're going to add more people and make it a good tradition. So yeah.
Binilhan ako ng mama ko ang Ben 10 watch.
Wow! Mapaplas naman yung akin.
At least yung akin makaka-transform ako.
Logyan ko yung auction sa pamilya.
Mari drone. Wala, sarili mo naman yan. You have the right.
I don't.
Ferris wheel.
Tutorial.
Magpunta tayo. Uy, ano, matalon? Tara.
Hindi! Siyempre kinakaya kita! Ayoko! Yung dalawa. Sarap. Parang...
ganun ka lang guys. So kayo one mo?
Score check. Sakto sa passing score.
Score check, pasang awa.
Hindi naman, 33. Pasang awa, over 50. Leon?
Very basic. Perfect ako dyan.
Dapat perfect ka dyan ah.
Yeah, 4 students who got perfect. Pero we can do that.
Galing. Expected na, expected. Ano?
Ano, expected score
40 plus.
48.
Wait lang.
45.
Expected score ko.
Expected score 42. 42.
Ikaw?
Masyadong mataas yung pride ko, mga 48.
48.
So, very disappointing. Very disappointing.
2, 3. Last Friday! 1, 2, 3. Boy, picture boys naman. Okay. Thank you.
Hi guys. Hello Ate Kia. Hello. Hi. Kakatapos na namin mag-dress rehearsal.
Kakatapos ko lang mag-rehearsal din. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Okay.
I enjoyed my go.
Yay! Oh! Ate Kia!
Tanggalan na. Ano mo yun?
Oo. Sige, go. Yummy. Ayun, tissue.
Thank you po.
SPA is Special Program in the Arts. So it means yung mga talent namin is pinapakita namin. Dance. Meron din music, meron din media arts, visual arts, and theater. Meron pang creative writing pero walang sumali sa creative writing ngayon.
Forgot.
Yes.
Forgotten?
Pero nakaka-enjoy maging SPA.
Nakakapagod pero masaya.
You will get to show your talent in front of everyone. You will get confidence. Okay, yun lang. Bye.
These past 3 days, we've been preparing for our culminating. Culminating is an actual graded performance live on stage. We performed this at our last semester before summer break. Performing arts and non-performing arts are separated. Non-performing arts prepare a bit earlier than us performing arts because they have to paint and prepare their artworks and hang it on their exhibit. Media arts has to picture everything and print it out and hang it in their exhibit, while us performing arts has to prepare day and night and go to school and perform on stage, rehearsals, and a lot of things. But yes, it's fun and quite pressuring sometimes, but it's enjoyable, to be honest.
So goddamn tired of why'd you have to leave me here all alone? Yeah, I should've known.
Dapat ba walang pang? Baka
Yeah.
mag-clip mamaya.
Ngiti kapag nag-dance. Labas ngiti yun.
Yan. Gagi! Itlog!
Pipilit ako ng anong ngiti mamaya.
Itlog! Cute!
Wait.
Ay, ate kaya din mo.
Bilis mo, Ate Kiara, mag-ano? Ha?
Mapunta sa soldier. Soldier.
No. Me only.
Kailangan ko ipa-dry yan?
Lagi napunta sa loob ng nails ko.
Oh my God, ang haba ng box. Si Shrek!
Oh my God, si Shrek.
Ang cute niya!
Oh my God, great, ano.
Beep! Ano kaya Beep! Magiging itlog.
Ano, Chloe, pwede mo.
Yan, okay na yan. Wala. Bilang mo, may isang pinabis mo na si Zay.
Okay, so, little update. Na-move ng 3 p.m. yung culminating. Kaso, na-make-upan ko na si Marcia. So,
Look at my lashes.
Putik naman, Lord!
Sorry. Sorry.
yes.
I cannot get over my lashes. Betting naman ako pag walang lashes. Can we just appreciate kung gano'ng kaganda sa lashes ng friend ko, which is si Rain, that I really, really love. Ang ganda ko, be. Di mo kakakumput pag walang lashes. Can I at least have one day, isang araw lang, when you wake up, tapos matingin ka sa salamin, and ang gandang-ganda ka sa sarili mo, kasi mukha kang ganito. Sana ganyan na lang lagi. Pero no.
Huwag ba tagalin dyan?
Ang kapal kasi mo, ingit. Dapat yan. Aray ko! Sabi mo na Pagpa-challenge ka, Ate Kiara, nakahirap na accelerate.
Kada ako, may 10 pesos ako. Ma, may bundok pa.
Pagod na ako.
Kasi naman ang video.